Assalamualaikum and good morning. So for today, we will learn chapter 3, Consumer Mathematics, Savings and Investment, Credit and Debt. Okay, welcome to the class. Okay, so for today's lesson, we want to calculate average cost per share for investment. Okay, and we need to solve problems involving savings and investment. Cost averaging strategy. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. Average cost is equals to investment amount over number of share. Okay. Okay, we want to see the example here. The table shows the purchase of shares by Muthu with 3 different prices. Okay, so now you want to calculate the averaging cost per share. This one is easy. First, what you need to do is you need to find the investment amount. So how to find the investment amount? Okay. Investment amount is equals to 3,000 multiplied by RM1.41 plus with 5,000 multiplied by RM1.60 plus 6,000 okay, multiplied by RM1.36. Okay, so now okay, you use your calculator here. So 3,000 times with RM1.41 is equals to 4,230. Okay. Okay, plus with 5,000 times with RM1.60 is equals to 8,000 plus okay, here 6,000 times with RM1.36. Okay, so 8,160. Okay, so now we plus all together here, plus 8,000 plus 4,230. So you will get RM 20,390. Okay, so now numbers of share here is you just plus number of share. So now we find the average cost per share. So average cost per share is equals to RM 20,390 over okay over 3,000 plus 5,000 plus 6,000 units. Okay, so you will get here 14,000. Okay, so now 20,390, so divide by 14,000 is equals to RM. Okay, so you can see the calculator here. 1.4564. Okay, so you need to run off, so you need to run off here, so you will get 4,6, so RM1.46. Okay, so now we move on to the next question. Okay, solve following problems. Okay, Mr. Gopal purchased 5,000 units of shares from company P worth of 8,000. Then he purchased unit trust of company Q with the same amount of money at average cost per share of 80 cents per unit. Mr. Gopal sold all shares of company P at RM1.72 per unit. Calculate the return on investment. Okay, so for this one, ROI, okay, I have teach you before. So ROI is equals to, okay, 5,000 units. Okay, he already sold RM1.72. So what you need to do is 5,000 times with RM1.72. Okay, minus the principal. Okay, means that the initial investment, so which is 8,000. Okay, over the total of investment here, which is initial investment, is 8,000 times with 100%. Okay, so now we calculate here 5,000 times with RM1.72. So 8,600 minus by 8,000. So 600. So 600 over 8,000 times with 100%. So divide by 8,000 times with 100. So the answer here is 7.5%. Okay. So this is the ROI, return on investment. Okay. Okay, now we move on to the last problem. Okay, Mr. Rasamani received 600,000 as gratuity from his company. He bought a double-story shop in Bangi, Selangor and received a monthly rental of 3,500. Okay. The second one is Encik Nick Izwan received 600,000 as gratuity from his company. He saved 250,000 in a fixed deposit account at a commercial bank with an interest rate of 4% per annum. He also bought share units 150,000 in that year. The company declared a dividend of 5%. The balance of the gratuity is used to buy a medium-cost apartment in Ampang, and he received a monthly rental of 1,200. Okay, who is a wise investor? Justify your answer. Okay, for this type of question, what you need to do is you need to do a comparison and justify the answer. So, when you want to justify the answer between these two men, what you need to do, you need to find using the ROI, return on investment. Okay, so we calculate one by one here. So we have Mr. Ramasamy. Okay, Mr. Ramasamy. So let's say this boy here is Mr. Ramasamy. Okay, so we need to find the ROI. Okay, I'm doing a box here. Okay, so Mr. Ramasamy, he only buy a double-story shop. Okay, so he only has rental. Okay, so rental here. So rental here is RM 3,500 times with 12. So you will get RM 42,000. Okay, 42,000. Okay, so now you need to find the ROI. So ROI, okay, so ROI here is equals to 42,000. This is the total rental for a year. Okay, divide by 600,000 is the initial investment, which is he buy the double story shop lot. Okay, so you will get here is 7%. Okay, so this one is Mr. Ramasamy. Okay, so now is Encik Nick Izwan. Okay, so Encik Nick Izwan. Okay, we want to find the ROI. Okay, first he has the fixed deposit. Okay. Okay, next one he has shares, and last one he has rental. Okay, so for fixed deposit, the interest rate is 4%. So 4 over 100 times with 250,000. So you will get RM 10,000. Okay. Shares is 5%. Okay, 5%. Okay, we look back the question. Is it 5%? Yes, 5%. Okay, 5% times with 150,000. Okay, so you will get RM 7,500. Okay, and the rental here is RM 1,200 times with 12. Okay, so you will get RM 14,400. Okay, so now we want to find the ROI for Encik Nick Izwan. Okay, so ROI is equal to 10,000 plus with 7,500 plus with 14,400 over, okay, the initial investment, the total here is 600,000 times with 100%. Okay, so 10,000 plus with 7,500 plus with 14,400. So we get 31,900 over 600,000 times with 100%. Okay, divide by 600,000. Okay, times with 100%. So the ROI is 5.32. Please round off the number. Okay, 5.32%. So which one is the wise investor? So based on the ROI here, Mr. Ramasamy ROI is higher compared to Encik Nick Izwan. Okay, so the answer here is Mr. Ramasamy is a wise investor because his return on investment value is high. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, try and learn. Please do activity. Please do exercise in the activity book. Okay, thank you.